Ladies and gentlemen, or maybe I should say kings and queens crown kiss mark, welcome to a review that isn't just about a car, but about desire, elegance, and pure seduction on four wheels. Meet the 2026 Range Rover in grey, a machine so luxurious, so powerful, and so irresistibly sexy that it doesn't just transport you, it transforms you. For decades, Range Rover has been the poster child of British class. From the royal family to Hollywood celebrities, it has always represented more than just an SUV, it has represented power, wealth, and status. But the 2026 Range Rover Grey takes that legendary reputation and turns it into a work of seductive art. It's not just luxury anymore, it's a lover, a companion, a fantasy wrapped in metal and leather. Imagine walking into a room where everyone goes silent. Heads turn. Hearts race. That's what the 2026 Range Rover does the moment it rolls down the street. One look, and you're hooked. One ride, and you'll never want to let go. Exterior. Let's start with that alluring exterior. In sleek metallic gray, the Range Rover looks like a mysterious billionaire in a perfectly tailored Armani suit, man in suit levitating. It doesn't scream for attention like some flashy sports cars. Instead, it whispers, in a deep, seductive tone, and trust me, that whisper is far louder than any shout. The front is bold and commanding, with the classic Range Rover grille glistening in gloss black. Those slim LED headlights, sharper than ever, stare at you like hypnotic eyes, gemstone that dare you to look away. The bumper has been sculpted for aerodynamics, but in reality, it looks like a strong jawline, masculine, powerful, irresistible. Glide your eyes over the side, and you'll see 23-inch alloy wheels, spinning like high-heeled shoe strutting down a runway. The proportions are flawless, tall, wide, and confident. The floating roofline gives it an air of sophistication, while the flush door handles melt into the body like lingerie straps hidden under silk. Smooth, subtle, sexy. At the rear, things get even more seductive. The taillights stretch across the back like a pair of red lips, kiss marks smiling in the dark. The spoiler adds just the right amount of aggression, while the clean lines of the tailgate remind you this isn't just design, it's seduction carved into metal. This SUV doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. Step inside, and you'll understand why the Range Rover is considered the ultimate luxury SUV. This isn't just an interior, it's a seductive lounge, a sanctuary, a private penthouse suite on wheels, couch and lamp wineglass. The seats are wrapped in the finest leather, soft enough to make you close your eyes as it touches your skin, high-heeled shoe. Available in multiple shades, the gray cabin feels like modern art, a perfect balance of minimalism and luxury. Every stitch, every panel, every material feels hand-picked to seduce your senses. Slide into the driver's seat and the starlight-inspired ambient lighting wraps around you like a warm embrace. The panoramic glass roof above reveals the stars' Milky Way, creating the perfect setting for romance, adventure, or just losing yourself in the night. The tech here doesn't just impress, it seduces. The 13.1-inch curved glass infotainment display sits at the center like a jewel ring, responding to your touch with haptic feedback that feels like a lover's gentle caress. Behind the wheel, a 13.7-inch digital cluster feeds you information with crisp clarity, while the head-up display projects essential details onto the windshield like whispers only you can hear. And then there's the sound system. With up to 35 Meridian speakers hidden in the cabin, music doesn't just play, it surrounds you, it dances with you, it makes your heart race, musical notes fire. Rear passengers. They get the royal treatment. Executive class seating, full recline, their own entertainment screens, and even a chilled champagne cooler. This isn't an SUV, it's an invitation to indulge. Performance. Now, let's talk about what happens when seduction turns into passion. Under that sleek hood, the 2026 Range Rover offers multiple options, but the star of the show is the twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8, producing a jaw-dropping 607 horsepower racing car dashing away. Press the accelerator, and the SUV doesn't just move, it lunges forward, pushing you back into your seat like a passionate lover that refuses to let go, smirking face fire. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint happens in just about 4.2 seconds, numbers that put many sports cars to shame. But it's not just about speed. The 2026 Range Rover knows how to keep things smooth, calm, and collected. Its adaptive air suspension kisses the road softly, filtering out bumps like they never existed. Dynamic drive modes let you switch from elegant city cruiser to aggressive highway beast at the flick of a switch. And of course, this isn't just a city car. With Range Rover's legendary off-road technology, it can seduce you anywhere, the mountains, the desert, the mud, or the snow. It's like a partner who's equally comfortable at a black tie gala and at a wild party on the beach. Whichever way you drive it, the Range Rover responds with confidence, passion, and that smooth, sexy grace that makes every journey unforgettable. Price. Now, passion like this doesn't come cheap money with wings. The 2026 Range Rover in gray starts at around $120,000, but that's just the beginning. Go for higher trims like the Autobiography or SV, add your bespoke touches, and you're looking at $150,000 to $180,000. But here's the truth, can you really put a price on seduction? On class? On an SUV that makes you feel like royalty every time you touch the wheel? Kiss mark. For those who can afford it, the price isn't a burden, it's a privilege. So, there you have it, the 2026 Range Rover in gray. Seductive. Powerful. Elegant. It's not just an SUV, it's a fantasy on wheels, a blend of strength and sophistication, a machine that doesn't just take you places, it owns you. From the bold exterior that turns heads, to the interior that pampers you like a lover, to the performance that excites and satisfies, this Range Rover is the complete package smirking face fire. The real question is, are you bold enough to claim it? Or will you just stand there, watching, knowing deep down you want it, but not having the courage to let it seduce you? Winking face. Because once you give in to the 2026 Range Rover, there's no going back. This isn't just a car. This is temptation, wrapped in metal, painted in gray, and waiting for you to take control.